Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 12th, 2018, and I'm down here in the hollow garden with the potato patch down here. Now some of these, as you can see, they're starting to die out, so we'll be taking those out soon. If you have a problem with mice or voles, then you'll want to get your potatoes out, because they'll eat them if you don't. We're just going to let the soil keep drying off a little bit more before we take them out. I will do a video when we start harvesting them. There are potatoes on, and they're under the grass. We already did take some off, but there's more on there. And we'll only be taking the ones out that are starting to die. The ones that are still green, we're going to let those go. So, if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.